In this video, I'll show you how to enable the personal hotspot on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. Simply open the settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and find the personal hotspot option. Now, in case it's not here, all you have to do is simply select more connectivity options, and then you should find it in this section. So mine is here, so I'll just select portable hotspot, and then all you have to do is tap on that toggle switch icon next to portable hotspot, and that should enable it on your device. And you can see this icon next here indicating that the hotspot has been enabled. Now, once you have enabled the hotspot, you can set up your personal hotspot to suit your needs. So tap on set up portable hotspot, and you can see a couple of options that appear. Now you can change the name of your portable hotspot, So tap on the SSID and then change it to suit your needs. So let's say, let me just put a random name. And then also you can change the password if you prefer. So tap on the password section and then tap on the icon to see what current password is there. So you can change this. You can change it, if you feel like. And then once you're done, you can also change the security if you prefer to change it, but we recommend you to leave it the way it is. You can also choose the device identification, choose the option, and all the available options that appear. Once you're done, tap on the check mark to save the changes. And then once you've saved the changes, you can now use your portable hotspot on another device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.